This is the 1V Salon. DIY lash lift and brow lamination kit. It has everything. First step, we're going to prep our eyes. Place the under eye patches under eye to cover the lower eyelashes.
It's important to apply the correct eye shield. Our eye shields come in 5 sizes.
Carefully place the shield on the eyelid, positioning it as close to the lash root as possible. Apply a small amount of balm on the silicone brush. Lift the lashes upward. Use the Y-comb to brush the lashes into the desired shape. Apply step 1 to the lashes, focusing on the root area. Avoid applying to the lash tips. After about 10-12 minutes, remove the perm solution. For thin or fragile lashes, use a shorter time to prevent overprocessing. Time for the neutralizing cream. Apply step 2. Again, focus just on the roots of the lashes. Leave in for the same amount of time as step 1, and then gently wipe away step 2. Last step is the lash nutrition oil. Use a spoolie brush to apply the nourishing oil. And here are the final results. Love it.